The ROCKSOCKI Drum Set 9 pads is an upgraded electronic drum kit featuring 9 pads and a variety of tones, demo songs, and rhythms, making it ideal for young drummers. This drum set enhances the playing experience with colorful LED lights and high-quality dual stereo speakers, allowing for both vibrant performances and quiet practice with headphones. Designed for portability, the drum set has a long-lasting battery that provides up to 12 hours of playtime and is made from safe silicone material, making it easy to roll up and carry anywhere. With Bluetooth connectivity, users can connect external audio sources and use a USB MIDI connection to edit music or engage in interactive drumming games on a computer. The ROCKSOCKI Drum Set is an excellent gift option, encouraging musical exploration and practice in a fun and user-friendly manner. It is particularly suitable for children aged 5 to 12, providing an engaging and educational musical experience that can be enjoyed anytime and anywhere.